Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm excited because I finally got my Ipsy. I do, if you are new, I always do Ipsy versus Ipsy. But I always get one like this one I got like maybe on the 10th or the 11th, but I had to wait. This one here I got today. And what is today? The 17th? 18th? I don't know what day it is, but it's around then. It is late. And I hate that. I redeemed some points, and every time you redeem points, it like takes forever. Anyway, if you are new, I do Ipsy versus Ipsy, and what I do is I say, do they really go by profiles? So I do two different profiles. One, I do mine, which I am 42, dark hair, blue eyes, light complexion, and I'm very, I like makeup. And then I do a 25-year-old profile with red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. I want to see, do they go by profile? So, without further ado, if you hear any noise, that is Nala in here, my 2-year-old pit bull, and she's sniffing everything per usual, being nosy. Come here, because now she's hitting the camera. Lay down. All right, so I'm going to open up, which one am I going to open up? The one that I had for like 2 weeks now, a week and a half, something like that. Seems like forever. This is my 42-year-old profile. 42, dark hair, light eyes, all that stuff. All right, so the first thing, I'm just showing you the add-ons. So this is a mask that I got, but I added one, not this month, last month, and it didn't come. So I got it with this one. And what else did I get in here? There's a few things. Okay, and two more things. I got the Bum Bum cream, and then I got this little brush, this little shader brush. All right, so this is the bag. Ooh, this is really pretty. So this is the bag this month. This kind of looks like the Macy's bag. Do I have the Macy's box around here somewhere? I don't know where it is, but yeah, here it is. This is the Macy's bag this month of December, and this is the Ipsy. So they're almost the same. This is really, really pretty. It comes with a little tassel, and the back is black, which I'm happy because I wouldn't like it. It would be a little too much for me. So let's open her up. Okay, so here's the card. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Check inside for our holiday gift to you, a bonus 6 glam bag product. So for the month of December, you get 6 items. That's exciting. All right, the first thing I got is Luna by Luna. What the heck are you? This is a highlighter. And also what I do is anything I get doubles, things that I already have, things I know I won't use, I put in an Ipsy bag, and once it fills up, then I do a giveaway. And probably this month now I have everything filled up, so I'll have a giveaway probably maybe next month sometime. So I'm not going to swatch this because I have so many highlighters, I don't even want to open it. It is in the shade Electra. Okay. Mind you, this is my 42-year-old profile. Then I got this Grace and Stella Meet Mud Your Skin's new best friend. This is a deep sea mud mask. And so it is a deep skin cleanser, which I'm not knocking. I don't mind getting skincare. I know some people, they only want to get makeup. I love getting skincare, hair care, makeup. I like everything. All right. The next thing we got, which this box looks opened, this is from Steve Laurent. What you be, Steve? Oh, this looks like a lip oil. So that's a pretty cool. I love lip oils. I love them. Okay. Then I got, oh, this is a brush. Okay. Yes, this is so pretty. So this is like a blending brush, and it has these things where you can like put your fingers here, but I never do that. When I do my eyeshadow, I usually put my fingers way back so that way I can have more of, why can't I think of the words today? Think, Anne. What is the word? I have more, what the hell am I thinking? I don't know, but I just don't like it having so close up. But this is really, really pretty. I like that, and it feels nice and soft. Okie dokie. What else? Then I got a sample size of the It Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. I have a few of them, so I will definitely put that in a giveaway, which I do like them. I'm actually wearing that today. And last but not least, Juice Beauty. This is a stem 2-in-1. I don't know. What is it? Some kind of skincare. So I like Juice Beauty. We got the lip oil. We got the highlighter. We got the mask. We got the It Cosmetics mascara. And we got a brush. I mean, this is an amazing bag this month. I love this bag. This is great. I think it fits my profile because it's skincare, which I like. I like highlighters. I like mascara. Fine. I am not mad at it. Okay, so this is my 25-year-old profile, and it's taped up. I think I redeemed points as well on this profile, too. And I red hair, brown eyes, you know, all that. Okay, yeah. So I redeemed another Bum Bum cream because I just love this stuff. All right. So nothing else. All right, same bag, of course, and same card. All right, so the first thing I got is, what is this? Skinny Dip. What the heck is this? For use on cheeks only. Color correct. No, what is this? Oh, a blush. This is a blush. That's weird that it comes in this packaging. I'm not going to open this up because I will put this in the Ipsy giveaway because I have so many blushes. But it is in the shade Skinny Dip. And I can't see. Who is the brand? Finding Fernandad. I don't know. But it's pretty cool. It says made in Tijuana. Okay. Then we got, oh, the same brush. So I will be putting this in a giveaway. I won't take it out of the plastic. Oh, another brush. This is a Luxie brush. Okay, so 2 brushes. That is cool. So this is like a pencil brush. I like them to go underneath if I want to detail. I mean, you can use this for anything. I'm excited for that. Then I got this Coco and Eve Like a Virgin. What is this? What you be, Coco and Eve? This is a super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask. Oh, good. I love hair mask. So that is cool. Then we got a Catrice eyeshadow in the shade Purple. Well, what is the shade? Luminous Lilac. Not going to swatch it. I will definitely put that in a giveaway. And last but not least, I got the Ciate Glitter Flip. That is so cool. So I'm glad I wanted to try this. This is a lipstick that you put on, and when you go, you get glitter on. I'm not going to try it because I have to go grocery shopping, so I don't want to put that on. I'm already got the eye going on here. So that's pretty cool. So we got the glitter lip. 25-year-olds would wear it. I'm 42. I would definitely wear that. We got a hair mask. We got a pencil brush. We got another blending brush. We got a Catrice eyeshadow in purple, which that is what I'm wearing today. And we got a blush. I think that's awesome. I think both bags this month was amazing. I don't know which bag I like better, honestly. I probably have to say my profile, the 42-year-old. Definitely. I really like it. Comment down below, which bag did you like better, the 42-year-old or the 25-year-old? Now, I did sign up for the Ipsy Glam Plus. I am still on that damn waiting list. So I thought I would get it this month. I did not get it. So hopefully in January, I will get it. I'm still going to get one of my Ipsys. Now, the question I have for you guys, do you want me to still do Ipsy versus Ipsy and then do the Glam Bag Plus, or do you just not care about the Ipsy versus Ipsy? Let me know. Let me know what you want to see, and I will definitely do it. And is that all I have to tell you? I think that is it, guys. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I believe when I post this, I'm not sure if the giveaway will be over. If it is not, do the giveaway. It is a 12 days of giveaway. Make sure you watch the other videos. And if the giveaway is over, ends on the 19th, the 20th Gleam picks them, then good luck to whoever wins. That's all I have to say. I'm very babbly. I have nothing else to say. I have one more recording to do, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.